Sorry ass DJ.
Hello guys, I am Iori Cruz from St. PB. I've created a Cell City analogy based on a game called Rise of Kingdom. But first, let me explain why it's similar to cell organelles. In my Cell City analogy, I will explain 13 cell of organelles. First and foremost, as you can see in the middle at the bottom, is the wall that protects those who are inside the village and also provide a harmonious environment, much like the cell membrane, which protect and organize the cell, provide a constant environment inside the cell, and perform a variety of functions. Second, as you can see here, the watchtower that envelopes the entire village so the people can obtain the peace and do their works easily, such as cell wall, which protect the cell, protect it from physical damage, and provide a structure to the cell. Third is the city hall, which is in charge of all the village duties, such as nucleus, which controls and regulates the activity of the cell and carries the genes. Fourth is the castle, that controls what can and cannot enter the village, just like what nuclear membrane does to support the nucleus. Fifth is a notice board. This has all the information about the village and is also the village protection system, much like nucleolus, which is made up of RNA proteins. Furthermore, it is part of eukaryotic cell that provides and procedure ribosomal RNA. Sixth is Sanchu, which is the commander and acts as the powerhouse of the village, that generates the lively and energetic living inside the village, similar to mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Seventh is the lysium of wisdom, which build knowledge, similar to ribosomes that are protein builder. Eighth is the scout camp, who are responsible for every task that give in and out of the village, such as proteins, that are responsible for every task in cellular life. 9 is the blacksmith, where the governor can upgrade their commander's equipment on becoming a greatest commander that protects their village, like the Golgari apparatus, that tells protein where to go and help process and package them and lipids molecule. 10 is the carrier station, who was responsible for maintaining a clean facility by completing a variety of tasks, and they also get rid of unwanted scenarios inside the village, like lysosomes, since it is the digestive system of the cell and membrane-bound organelles with roles in the process involved in degrading and recycling cellular waste, cellular signal, and energy metabolism. 11 is the hospital, that allows for the treatment of severely wounded troops to allowing them to rejoin armies and defend the cities, similar to vacuole, which separates things that might hurt or threaten the cell. 12 is the academy, which allows the governor to research various technology like chromosomes, which DNA is tightly packaged within the nucleus. In addition, it's also hard to ensure that DNA is replicated and distributed appropriately during cell division. Lastly is the action points. These are the energy that you can use on various tasks and completing tasks, similar to chloroplast, that converts light energy into relatively stable chemical energy near the photosynthesis process and its plant cell organelle. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something and gained something knowledge about my cell city analogy. Thank you for watching.